For the Lumix GH5S, Panasonic has opted to ditch the 20.3MP Micro Four Thirds Live MOS sensor the GH5 uses, replacing it with an all-new oversized 10.2MP multi-aspect sensor. The oversized design of the sensor, which was also a feature on the original GH1 and GH2, means it's physically larger than a normal Micro Four Thirds sensor. This allows the Lumix GH5S to shoot at different aspect ratios but can still use the full breadth of the imaging circle projected by the lens, as opposed to simply cropping down from the 4:3 aspect ratio of the sensor. This means the GH5S's sensor provides sufficient margin to get the same angle of view in 4:3, 17:9, 16:9, and 3:2 aspect ratios. As well as providing the option to shoot 14-bit RAW files, the reduction in resolution has also allowed Panasonic to improve on the maximum ISO of 25,600 on the GH5, with an ISO ceiling of 51,200 in the GH5S. Panasonic has also included its dual native ISO technology to reduce the risk of background image noise in low light conditions. The Lumix GH5S shoots at a world-first 4K 60/50p recording in Cinema 4K, 4096 by 2160. What does all this mean for video capture? While the Lumix GH5 was the first mirrorless camera capable of shooting 4K footage at up to 60/50p, the Lumix GH5S takes this one step further, and shoots at a world-first 4K 60/50p recording in Cinema 4K, 4096 by 2160. You can record both Full HD and 4K video for as long as you want, there's no time limit, while the Lumix GH5S complies with 4K HDR video with hybrid log gamma, HLG, mode and photo style. The GH5S also records 4:2:210-bit 400 Mbps all Indra and 4K, at 30p/25p/24p, and Cinema 4K, 24p, and 200 Mbps all Indra and Full HD. The Lumix GH5S is also compatible with timecode in, out, making it easy to synchronize multiple compatible devices when filming, for pain-free post-production editing. A bundled coaxial cable for a BNC terminal connects to the flash sync terminal of the camera, allowing the camera to be used as a timecode generator for other GH5S cameras and professional camcorders.